fill gauge for 16 or 14 ounces per paint canisters. So there's a battery, slides off this way. Okay, it's on. Now we can remove protective sleeve. Right now it's full, not actually empty. So let's see, I have right here, I think this is 14 ounces right here. Okay, we just slide it in. Okay, back up a little bit, and I'll just lift it. Yes, it actually feels really empty, and it blinking on last resort, almost nothing left. So time to get another one, and if I let it go, nothing. So it's a 16 ounces set on. I should reset it on 14 ounces. So okay, it's off. Okay, now it's 14 ounces because this one is 14.1 ounce. So now it's going to be more accurate now that I figured it out how to use it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's lift it. Okay, they're saying it's a halfway. That's cool. Even though it looks really or feels really empty, it tells me that it's a halfway full. That's nice. And easy to remove it. Plug it in. Okay, blinking. So meaning it's on. Okay, now it's a little bit more accurate. It's telling me it's only has like 1 bar left. Really empty. I think it's a good idea to remove it. Very cool. It is actually feels really empty. There's barely anything left. So definitely let us know how much have left. And press and hold to turn it off. Very cool. Gerber lockdown pry multi-tool. So there's a nice pry bar at the angle. Easy to pry open something or open boxes, bottle opener, and of course, whoa, this is easy. So this is scissors. Nice. This is very good scissors. Okay, it is liner lock right here. Pull on that. Wow, this is awesome. So pull this way. This is a nice way to scrape something open. Open tape on the boxes. It's sharp enough. And also like a pry bar right here. Okay, what else is in there? It is easy to pull open. This right here like X-Acto knife. And scissors. I just opened that already. What's on this side? A knife. So open up more boxes and so on. Ooh, it's tight. It's locked really well. Okay. Boom. Awesome. Pretty hefty. Nice little pocket tool with a belt clip. Really tight belt clip. I love it. Beautiful design and everything. Niba Transport 400 2-in-1 car charger and flashlight. This is actually really cool. 400 lumens. So first of all, there's a magnet clip, so could be magnetized to something. There's a light, bright, less bright, and the third option. So just simple settings, and then if I press and hold, let's see, no, press and hold doesn't do anything. So simple settings, USB-C, USB, plugs is one of those car plugs. And now we have a rechargeable flashlight, and also can charge the phone. Wow, and I guess a little bit of a power bank too. Let's see. Yeah, it has to be. That is cool. But it's more so that it's like automatically recharging flashlight and recharging other devices at the same time. So that flashlight always recharged. I love it. And a magnet, let's see. Oh yeah, magnet is stone. Love that. That is a very unique gadget for sure. 27-in-1 tech screwdriver. It comes with all of these little drivers. Oh wow, this is cool. So for tech, miniature, Okay, where do they all sit is right here. So I can just spin and see what I need. Wow, there is some of them are really small. So nice. So there's the star beads. Wow. Let's see what we will look. Put this one back into here. Wow, this is so nice. And the best thing is I could rest it on my hand and twist. Beautiful. Wow, this is a nice little screwdriver for sure. And then I can grab it and twist, pick a different one. Very easy. Okay. Locks in here to where it's not going to get lost. Beautiful. I like this kind of tools. Milwaukee press and flip 5-in-1 multi-tool. So let's open it. There's a button. It has to be this like kind of nice jerky motion like this one. Takes a little practice, but once we get it, it's pretty easy. So it's also an easy way to open it a slow way, and it's nice because it will not open when the button is not pressed. So extra safety, bottle opener, and this is right here. Screwdriver, flathead and Phillips head. Okay. Locks in really nicely. Looks like a removable clip can go over here. So the other way, beautiful. And it's a liner lock. And again, this kind of motion. Again, little practice and it will work every time. Very nice. Milwaukee fastback. Nebo Inspector 500 Plus. So there has a 360 light-in, magnetic, waterproof. Okay, let's open. It's like a pen light, in a sense, size of a pen. So there's a magnet. Let's test it. Oh yeah, nice strong magnet. There it is. Okay. So let's see. Okay, there's a miniature lantern, 360 view. I think we have to detach something before use. Let's see. Ooh, that's how it says charges. Beautiful. So all I have to do is just twist it to lock it. Okay, let's see what's on this side. Ooh, nice clip right here. Make a quick disassembly. Okay, there's a whoa. Looks like a couple of AAA batteries in one. That is cool. So rechargeable, and I'm pretty sure could be used AAA batteries, but rechargeable is much nicer. Okay, how do we activate it? Okay, this side here is actually also a button, very bright. There's a couple moods. Okay, brightest. All I have to do is just what? Pull it up, and now we have both way light. Wow, that is incredibly bright. So I can set it up on a magnet, and I have 360 like a mini lantern, and I can make it a little darker, I think. There it is. Wow, that is really bright. Very cool little flashlight for sure. Also, if I double click it, it will have a flash and mode activated.